Good job. Good job. Ah, fun.
I got hit in the goddamn neck twice.
All right, Jack. Jack. Surrender. All right, thanks, buddy. Oh my God. Sorry, buddy. Sorry. Buddy, I got you. All right. All right, then I'll be back, bud. Alright, that's less than 10 feet. Bud. Hey, Bud, that was less than 10 feet. What? Not right there. I didn't shoot you. I didn't shoot you right there. You shot me. What? It wasn't me, man. Alright, that's less than 10 feet. Bud. Hey, Bud, that was less than 10 feet. What? Not right there. I didn't shoot you. I didn't shoot you right there. You shot me. What? It wasn't me, man.
Come on, back in.
Thank you. I'm gonna go with Jet. We're gonna go on the right side is what we're gonna do.
I know, I've seen the video. So the other flag, are you going straight up?
I'm too fucking old.
We'll probably go to the alley.
Yeah, we probably need some people going alley.
Yeah.
Wait, but if the flags go like that
The flagpole's in the middle. So
Yeah, you guys.
You're gonna get to middle from this side.
All right. Jay, are you going down the right side?
Yeah.
So you want me to hook inside the building on the right, and then you guys just cover?
Wait. Are you talking about going to the center building and then hooking?
Yeah, like going around the center building, and you guys can just cover that area, so I can put it up without getting shot.
Okay. Yeah.
All right.
Trust me, I know.
Where are you going to go?
Like you know where the square building is in the center?
Yes.
Going around into the side door,
Okay.
and then because the flag's right there.
Oh, okay. Go to the right side. Go, 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 go,
Can you guys
Go in the middle. Take the middle.
go? I gotta put the flag up. Go.
Hey, get the flag.
Yeah. Jet, there's a guy right in the corner. Go, Jack. Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. Oh, okay. Surrender.
Surrender.
On parlay.
Parlay!